Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back with another video. In this video, we'll talk about an Hyperpay and the Heco airdrop, which is worth of an $100,000 token bonus. Here you can see that they were giving the 100,000 token bonus before getting to our airdrop. If you are new to our channel, then please go and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button. And do check out our video. We create a videos about free airdrop claims, how to claim a free airdrops, and newly released undervalued tokens, and more about exchanges, and how to claim free tricks and all. Do check out our video and the playlist. So let's get back into our airdrop. For that, you have to just come and join our telegram channel. The telegram channel link as given in this video description. By clicking that link, you will be redirected to this post, which is I already posted in our telegram channel. In our telegram channel, I give a quick update about airdrops and other crypto related stuffs. So do join our telegram channel. Here down you will see the join button. Just tap on it. Once you join our telegram channel, just click on this link. Once you click on this link, it will open up a airdrop page of Hyperpay. I will suggest you to, you can see that click on this three dot and open in a browser. Once you click on open in a browser, you will get your browser list, and just tap on any browser you want to open with it. Once you tap on it, it will open up Hyperpay Medium airdrop page in the browser. Here you can see the Hyperpay and the Heco and the Heco chain project airdrops, and here you can see that the Hyperpay and Heco airdrops of $100,000 token bonus, and here you can see the event duration, and here you can see the duration of an airdrop from a June 10 12 p.m. timeline of an UTC to 24 June 12 p.m. UTC, and here you can see more about an airdrop. It's an 100,000 token bonus airdrop. Here they mentioned like an 100,000 airdrop for a grab, in order to allow the community member to better understand the ecosystem development status of the Heco chain, and participate in a high quality eco project to obtain the more benefit. Hyperpay hereby the cooperate with the 10 high quality project on the eco chain. Here you can see the 10 high quality project on a eco chain, which is cooperated by the Hyperpay, and to bring the great airdrop reward to Hyperpay users. Those airdrops for Hyperpay users. So in this video I will say how to create a Hyperpay account. So be stick into this video, and here you can see that I follow and join the telegram to get a token reward. It's an duration which we saw on that poster. Here they mention what and all steps we have to do to get that airdrop. We have to follow these Twitter accounts, and we have to join the Hyperpay telegram channel and fill this form. Just hold the form. After that you will get this type of interface. Just click on open with new tab. Once you click on open with a new tab, you will get here down you can see that the one more tab got opened, and it will open up a form page. We have to fill our details to eligible or successfully register in the airdrop. After that you will see this type of form page. Here you can see Hyperpay and Heco and Eco chain project airdrop, and the duration, and what and all steps we have to do to eligible for the airdrop. I will explain everything in this video. Here you can see that we have to enter our Twitter account username and telegram username, and fill in the Hyperpay wallet account. Please fill the phone number or an register email address which we use to register a Hyperpay account, and we have to enter a Hyperpay. After that we have to fill the echo address of an Hyperpay on the chain wallet. After that we have to click on a submit. Let's see a step-by-step procedure. First let's see how to create a Hyperpay wallet. For that, just come back to our telegram channel. To create a Hyperpay account, just come back to our telegram channel. Here you can see the two links of an Hyperpay and Hyperpay app link. If you want to create from a browser, just click on a Hyperpay link. Once you click on a Hyperpay link, it will ask you to open or cancel. Just click on open. Once you click on open, it will open up a Hyperpay registration page. Here you can see that we can sign up or register with using our mobile number. Just we have to enter our country code. Just select your country code and enter your mobile number. And once you enter your mobile number, just click on get SMS. Then the Hyperpay will send you an OTP message or a code to your register mobile number which you have entered here. Just enter that code here and click on sign up. After that, we sign up. And if you don't want to register from our web, then just come back to our Telegram channel, and here you can see the Hyperpay app link. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will open up in a Play Store. Just click on install. I already has installed it, so that's why I'm getting an uninstall and open. Just click on install, and once the app get installed, then just open up. It will open up like this. After that, you will get this type of interface, and you can see the Hyperpay privacy policy. Here you can see the Hyperpay privacy policy, and welcome to Hyperpay. Then just click on I agree. After that, you will get some guide or tutorial type of. Just click on I know. Once you click on and just come to our mine section. Once you come to our mine section, and you will see this type of interface. Here you can see the sign up or a login. Just click on sign up and login. Once you click on sign up or login, you will get this type of interface. And here you can see you can register from a phone number or a email address. I already told you register with the phone number. Let's see how to register with the email. So just we have to enter our email address and create a password, and make sure you have entered the same password here. After that, click on this check mark and click on sign up. After that, they will send you an email verification to your register email address. So just open your Gmail and look for a Hyperpay mail. You will get this type of mail. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you will ask to select a browser. Just select any browser you want to. Just after that, just click on just once. After that, your Hyperpay account will be verified successfully. After that, just come back to your Hyperpay app, and you will see we have to set a trade password. Just enter a password of an I guess 6 or 8 digits. So re-enter the same password here. Then click on this arrow. After that, it will ask you to set pin for your app. So just enter a 4 digit of an pin. After that, please to enter that same pin. After that, it will open up like this. Just click on skip. Once you click on skip, it will open up like this. Just click on I know. On top, you can see the choose wallet. Just tap on a choose wallet, and you will see this type of interface when you select a choose wallet. After this, click on create or a store on a chain identity. After that, it will open up this window, and here we'll see that two options: create an chain identity or an import on chain identity. Just click on create on a chain identity. After that, it will open up this window, and here we have to enter a wallet name. Just enter any name you want to give for your wallet name. After that, set a password. Just enter a password and re-enter the same password, and just click on this checkbox. Once you entered all the things, here you can see that mnemonic words, which means a face word or a seed. It's very important for our account. Of the people who are having that seed face can easily access our account, so don't share with anyone. Yeah, we can choose whether we want to 12 words of an face or 24 words of face. I will select as 12 words of face, and click on create. After that, you will see this type of window mentioning this, please confirm, and read this, and do check all three this. Once you check that all, and you will get a confirm button. Just click on a confirm. Once you click on a confirm, they will say you to back up your seed face. Just back up your seed face in a safe manner. After that, just click on a backup now. After that, we have to enter our password. Just enter your password and click on a backup now. After that, you will get this type of interface. Here you can see that then HT. Just tap on it, and it will open up this window, and here down you can see that the receive button. Just tap on a receive. Once you tap on a receive, it will open up like this. Just copy this address. Once you copy this address, just come back to your form page. Just enter the copied Heco address here. Just paste it over here. Enter the phone number or email address which you use for registration for a Hyper wallet. Let's enter those things here. After that, we can see that our 2 tasks got completed, and we have two more tasks. Let's see about Twitter. Further, just come back to our form page. Here you can see that we have to follow these Twitter accounts. Just tap on it, then it will open up your Twitter account, and just click on follow. I already followed it, so I'm getting a following. You will get a follow button. Just click on follow. After that, just come back to your form page and do the same thing to other account also. Just click on it, and then follow all the accounts. You have to join a Hyperpay Telecom company. Just click on a Hyperpay, and it will open up like this. Just click on a Telegram, and just once. After it will open up a Telegram channel of a Hyperpay. I already joined this. That's why I'm getting this type of interface. You will get a join button here. Just click on a join. Once you complete the Twitter and Telegram task, just come back to a form and enter your Twitter and Telegram username, and make sure you have entered your register email or a phone number which you use for a Hyperpay registration time. Make sure you enter that only, and enter a copied address of an Heco here. Once you entered all the details, then just click on a submit. Once you click on a submit, it will show up like this. Submit successfully. Your feedback has been received. Thank you for your time. And yeah, they mentioned that the airdrop will be created after the 10 days of airdrop get ends. So be patient and wait for a airdrop. In this video, this much only, guys. If you like this video, please give a like, and if you didn't like this video, give a dislike, and mention you why you didn't like this video. And if you have any suggestion, then leave a suggestion in comment section. And if you are new to our channel, then please go and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button, and do join our Telegram channel for a quick update. Here you can see that we share a lot of airdrop in our Telegram channel, because everything cannot be done with a video. To create a video, it takes some time, so we share it over here. If you are interested in an airdrop, then please do join our Telegram channel. Yeah, we share airdrop related queries and all the airdrop. You can see a lot of airdrop we share here, so do join our Telegram channel. And so if you're airdrop lover, so do join our Telegram channel for a new and legit airdrop. Thank you for watching. Peace.